Na kokoba erade bo man no kokoba erade bo ye mpanimfo ba kokura ni wa obi anso ya aso omutie se de be ya edi nkoso ne asomdie ene boaseto ebeba man mu because that one near brewa man home no so about him. And from July way up to December the oboni afase say everything was dot on dot. Now mama ka se bincho erade bia mani mama hu say July 19th demons we be meeting e Ghana ha say na meeting no mo ye na about the nation Ghana ene mu nipa etitim se baba mo chato do na kangu ametitru ni abrempon enkwa firi omunsa. Now spiritually no erade ba me hu no say omo be kamo jagupa. Now, what you move Kangupana, I didn't care because from July 19th, no mobile general meeting, my Ghana. Now, almost so your person Musubiano. On the repeated meeting, a year August 23rd. A year demonic meeting. Now, August 23rd, no by some meeting, spiritually. At the embassy said from July, we, I was a Omukunipa. Now, Nipo Mubakum in any packet. But nipa omo dawo man na koma so nipa o man no akoma wo omo nipa e free mu e beyeja e de so ni amane baba e na be sankofo na free ho and no na so move ya say enuma e koso no and no na I started because I say and they say and 12 meboa and 12 I got 7 days that's and 13th very good and 13th I got how many days I got 7 days 20th yes. No, 19th. It's a 6 days. Not a demonic meeting, Akoso. What I say? I got 6 days. Not demonic meeting, no Akoso. Now, after some meeting, no Mobayano, on better repeated 23rd. From that period of July 19th now, on maybe a meeting, a year 20th, no, after 20th, no, on Mobata Jomanasio, Kunipa, Senipa, on Nipa Brabaya, Basebi, Mubayara, a pinful Wonyama Basabasania until August 23rd now. On Mobaya, the final meeting. And no final meeting already be minimum who say after omo meeting no my yerin nyina me who Ghana flag emu bum yenu papa Ghana flag ne mu bum yenu no eja dem na ese e ho na already sun catch me say this is what the enemy wants to do e wo my Ghana moja e pa be hwiagu papa enya moja ketwa na sane mo nyina e the confusion kase na be si wo man nim confusion no between asofo and politicians and top be gidi anya sam ketwa politicians still to be puntokwa na me hunu nkofo bi o matoto o mo wasiwa o mo be di o man panyina tem papa enema e koso no I just want to keep certain things na me aduma na se da so tiasia Monday enema bi o ha me bie sa nyoma ni nyina so because enema e koso no enema esisi no it's about time e was say ma ya home no so na ye gina ma o my Ghana say ya nyina ma o my Ghana na say ya mfia ne se fam nya nyira ho ma papa de ta ye nim ne ne abakuresa because enema e bezese na no dey am home military air force back wa atiache ya bro no so e wo Kumasi papa na asefem na reho nipa trying for their life ne ja 20 ne nipa say Nene papa boy basa. It's a Monday no papa I broke in tears ebusia FM ha say.
The next is here.
Me what because the me who say empower minus no. And they already be me me win na ya FM. Na okọ kan we ya abaifo wo man mu ne or bonsamfo wo man mu. Bonso ma so let na mo cassette ya. Samunyano na dia masa. Ye na ya poma ne yo. Ya ye say ya poma ne yo mo ma ye nsore. Yana ye say ya power money and mama yan study more mine. Papa, now God bless our homeland Ghana, not the Biaya Kano. What is the meaning of God bless our homeland Ghana? It's a Yamafa Fania de Kana Sadie. I press some of the leaders are Omudi anymore. Or Makwadi to buy you 2 million idea. Or more somebody with the blood of Ghanaians. And Radias Posum one after the other. May the judgment of the Lord arrest them one after the other. Amen. In the name of Jesus.
Yes, Lord.
Master, because yet to come. Ya maya dat and yes a branya basa. Tiye papa no masofo amutie me papa. Mama yama ya home no so na watena. And you may di anim no asefem awre hosem. Say ya ma ya home no so na say ya ntia gina. E be ka for sem kase dia ba. I am talking as a prophet of God. This time no fears, no panicking, because we know the God that speaks to us. Yenim na me oni kasa. And yenim ni ona metemi ka kira yen. And people that have dedicated themselves for the devil, God will strike them with tender. Pia wa ina gina say what the one maponsam. Aso onya meti for kasa. Na said the owner me pressure no say one play massa get him no so better to see the mobile said the panobe lose in life. One can I see any 24 hours God will strike those people for them to die.
Amen. Yes.
Come be to the papa ye hear say o man in my home so because and this I did the animal ban e be yasefem
ni braba
and until I was say you tell o man I tell o man wo nyame pe o man ye o nyame pe o man nkoso o nyame pe o man puto na ye tena wa ye shahan aman sabapa ansana sem trofaka Denteni ya chama sama pasala sem trofaka me wa so sane man nyina wo nyame kan ho asem enti dia be pie na ye pe dia no nyame franchise wo man Ghana papa dia no nyame franchise bia no wo nyame franchise Nkansah Ghana is better than Sierra Leone. Ghana is better than Liberia. It is those times na Sierra Leone no na asofo ni ho. It is an man na be koso krom ntinyam ye nyinya asofo ni bi. When be each asofo bi ba ka no muntie.
Omo so den.
What can no muntie? What can no muntie? I'm telling you honestly as a prophet of God. Master, baby, we don't fear anybody. And people should take this from me. I am the eagle prophet, Master. People should take this from us because we are not going to sit down for our generation to lose their lives. Young Tanawa, my young quan, and the that can say,
Mamping for
Young Tanawa, it's about time. People are dying for some of the political parties. Can they die for the future? Can we die for the things ahead of us? And you know who your friend say, cook, what can I say? Some demonstration. Please, Ghana, coming Kumawood, our beloved country. Ghana, our beloved country, any. Ghana, our beloved country, any. Why are we so jealous? Yes, jealous. How do you guys put it in G? Things which are not important. These are the things that we are following. And at the end of the day, you end up singing and make us what did they say? Oppressors rule. Oppressors rule. Physically, we have been set from oppression. But what about spirituality? What about spirituality? Because physically, oppression has been set out of our lives. We are no more under oppression again. What about spirituality? And these are the things that God is speaking concerning the nation Ghana. Why are we sitting down and watching that the devil should take control over our nation? And Papa, I didn't think I get to know some form of nation. I didn't think you something from it. And the young just say, I'm minimum to me can flock or my mona. Young just a painful to me come from my mona. Young just a quantity to me come from my mona. What is really happening? What is really happening, Papa? They should tell us. If they really love the country, as they say, if they really want the nation to move forward, if they really want the nation to benefit from the blessing they want to bring upon the nation, their strength alone cannot do it. They need to depend on the arms of God. They need to depend on the arms of God. Master, I'm telling you as a prophet of God. Yes, but we don't respect God at any other. Now, now a soft woman so and the material within some phone. No more yen, no man, Sabako Kuranim. Safon nim na Sabako Kura, a pinim nim na Sabako Kura. Penim nim nasa, Adim in the food or the Yamjuma, or Prakata or Prefia the Massa, or can you fear no be what a hole? It is about time, let's do the kingdom work. Let's do the kingdom work, what a hole. Or software, one more 40 when nim kai wo de sikana wo pe wo de cars na wo pe cars akese Range Rover Lincoln Navigator na be fie and am fie swimming pool da ho and am fie na ya dai
Ninja ho.
na ya dai Probably some phone in your bassa nko a. It's about time you feel this from.